Well, blimey. Well, today is International Level Crossing Awareness Day, and I don't think he was very aware of level crossing, really. Well, I think he was aware, but he went through the red light, and I think his car needs an MOT as well. Anyway, welcome back. We are now waiting for a cross-country service from Paignton to Manchester Piccadilly. 1 Mike 41. Now yes, as I mentioned, it's an International Level Crossing Awareness Day. And it can be seen all over Twitter that it is the day today. So, as well as entries from India, we've also got entries from the Irish rail network, Irian, I don't know. They got a nice video on Twitter of people who are not safe on crossings. We've also got, that's another one from India. The Eastern Railway in India actually had the great GM Eastern Railway flagging off a safety awareness car decorated with various safety messages for the safe use of level crossing gates. We've also got the company who create the rubber trespass spikes. They also are celebrating the International Level Crossing Awareness Day. In fact, this day is the 10th annual one held. 221125. There we go. Yes, lots of interesting things. Anyway, thank you for watching on this 10th annual International Level Crossing Awareness Day, and I shall see you in the next video.